Hey math enthusiasts, ready to have your mind blown by some mind-boggling math facts? Let's dive straight in. First up, the Fibonacci sequence. You know that magical series where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones? 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. It's not just a cool pattern, it's found everywhere in nature, from the arrangement of leaves to the spirals of galaxies. Next, let's talk about pi. Not the delicious dessert, but the irrational number. Pi, or 3.14159 and so on, goes on forever without repeating. It's essential in circles, but did you know pi appears in equations describing the universe's very fabric? Mind blown? Prime numbers. These are numbers greater than 1 that only have 2 divisors. 1 and themselves. They're the building blocks of the integers. Fun fact, the largest known prime number has over 24 million digits. Incredible, right? Speaking of numbers, the number 7 is pretty special. It's often considered lucky. But mathematically, it's unique because it can't be represented as the sum of 3 squares. Go ahead, try it. Now let's look at 1000. It feels like a big number, but in the grand scheme of things, it's tiny. For instance, there are more than 1,000 stars in a single grain of sand if you compare it to the stars in the observable universe. Think about that for a second. The number 0. It's not just a placeholder. 0 represents the concept of nothingness, a revolutionary idea that transformed mathematics. Without 0, modern computing and algebra would be impossible. Talk about a game changer. What about the number 111,111,111? Multiply it by itself, and you get 12,345,678,987,654,321. A fascinating palindrome. Math has these hidden gems that make you wonder if there's a secret language of the universe. Here's a fun one. How many times can you fold a piece of paper? You might think 7 or 8 times, right? But mathematically, with a piece of paper large enough, you could theoretically fold it 12 times or more. Folding it 42 times would reach the moon. Crazy, huh? Finally, let's wrap up with a classic, the birthday problem. In a room of just 23 people, there's a 50% chance 2 people share the same birthday. Increase that to 75 people, and there's a 99.9% chance. Probability can be surprising, so there you have it. 10 math facts to blow your mind. If you enjoyed these, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more mind-blowing math content. See you next time on Math Mastery Hub. Remember, math is everywhere. Keep exploring.